the species is?
This one is called Pharea.
But it started here in the It started here.
Yes. Yeah, you can touch it very gently if you want to feel it.
And the material itself is silica,
This is also silica.
amorphous.
Yes. So the way we don't know all of the steps that it works, but it seems that the sponge produces a protein core filament, and that filament then has organelles that concentrate silicic acid from the water, and they sit over the protein filament, and then amorphous silica is deposited onto that filament passively.
And the protein go away.
Yes, mostly. There is a little bit of protein left. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are
Though-
these deep water coral?
They are. Yep, that's a bamboo coral, like the one on the right-hand side there, candelabra coral. And then this is like the bubblegum coral on the left, although it's not the same species.
Oh, which one is the bubble gum?
It's similar to this.
Something in between. Or bacteria.
Oh.
So, in order to be those things, classified in categories, there's cellular.
That is another place that we've started studying. So this was a serendipitous discovery. A group was from NOAA, or the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary, was mapping out near Davidson Seamount, which is an underwater volcano. Oh, should I keep this here, or? Okay. And they were out at this spot mapping, and they noticed a few octopuses here and there, and then a few more, and then suddenly there were hundreds, and there were thousands
Oh my
in
god.
that one spot. And we've never seen that many octopuses in one place. It turns out they're all upside down like that because they're brooding eggs. So I don't know if you can see, but like there's a few eggs right there, and I think there's one right there. So like all of those octopuses have eggs. It's like a big nesting site.
So they were
Yes,
just
very
lucky.
gently. Very, very gently.
So they